Outdoor adventures require outdoor gadgets for the best experiences. With advancements in technology, going off-grid is more accessible than ever before, and it's now possible for most to survive even the most extreme outdoor adventures. You might be a hiker, skier, surfer, or RV enthusiast. Whatever your outdoor pursuit, there's a gadget for everyone. Number 1. AirBolt. Meet AirBolt, the world's smallest GPS. The AirBolt R GPS tracker emerges as an exceptional survival gadget, offering remarkable features to adventurers. With its compact dimensions and an astonishingly lightweight build of approximately 21 grams, it proves to be the ideal companion for those embarking on outdoor journeys. Its versatility allows it to be effortlessly attached to a collar, discreetly tucked into a pocket, or stashed within a bag, ensuring minimal interference with one's exploration. Furthermore, the AirBolt GPS leverages an ever-expanding network to enable global tracking, granting adventurers the confidence of knowing their belongings can be located and secured even in the most remote and challenging environments. Number 2. The Scout Survival Kit Strap. Everything you need and nothing you don't. It's a wearable survival kit built into a paracord bracelet and is designed for the 3-day hike. This minimalist's bracelet provides you the tools to strike a fire, signal for help with the alert whistle, cut or carve with the non-dulling ceramic blade, open a can, pry, patch a torn tent, strap gear, saw through limbs, purify 4 liters of water with included Aqua tab, and procure sustenance with 2 all-purpose fishing hooks. Number 3. MK3. Using a smartphone in the exciting outdoor has a lot of risk. For example, a smartphone can be dropped on a rock and broken or be dropped into water and ruined. MK3 can solve this problem very easily. MK3 is very easy to use. Once you connect the MK3 to your smartphone via Bluetooth, the setup is complete. Then you can keep your valuable smartphone safe in your bag. Now you can talk to your friends more conveniently with MK3. It also includes walkie-talkie via smartphone Bluetooth pairing, emergency button, Bluetooth speaker, LED light, and a stylus pen. Whether you're CL. Number 4. Aqua Eye. Aqua Eye is an advanced underwater scanner using the latest in ultrasound and artificial intelligence technologies to identify human bodies underwater. Aqua Eye sends a sonar pulse out to 50 meters or 165 feet and listens for the return echo. Aqua Eye then decides which echoes match the echoes from a human body and indicates the location of the missing persons on the screen. This small gadget can be essential on any adventure. Number 5. CH15. The CH15 is ingeniously designed to optimize the surface area of its twin filters, resulting in remarkably low breathing resistance, making it a paramount respirator for adventurers. This respiratory device not only minimizes burden, but also offers crucial chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear protection for a minimum of 15 minutes, ensuring wearers can safely navigate hazardous environments. In the face of CBRN threats, it extends its protection to 30 minutes against chemical warfare agents, affording adventurers ample time to evacuate from contaminated areas without compromising their respiratory, visual, and facial safety. With its exceptional capabilities, the CH15 stands as an indispensable survival tool for adventurers, granting them a vital shield against life-threatening hazards in the wild. It is a critical piece of equipment for those who venture into the unknown, prioritizing their safety and well-being in the most challenging conditions. Number 6. Mankerlight Timeback 3. The Mankerlight Timeback 3, a spinner flashlight, holds significant value for adventurers, particularly its top-tier model. Its remarkable 10-hour illumination capacity in the lowest mode makes it a crucial tool for extended outdoor excursions. Crafted from a striking combination of titanium alloy and brass, this flashlight not only exudes style but also durability, ideal for rugged adventures. Equipped with an 1100 mAh battery featuring a USB Type-C port, it ensures reliable power for extended journeys. Furthermore, its dual functionality as a spinner adds a unique and practical dimension to an adventurer's gear, making it an appealing and multifaceted tool for those who venture into the wild. Number 7. BCA Float. The BCA Float E2 Avalanche airbag packs offer adventurers a compact and lightweight solution for backcountry exploration. Its Alpride E2 supercapacitor system, 40% smaller and 11% lighter than its predecessor, ensures efficiency without compromising mobility. With features like the side stash pocket and backstash zip, adventurers can hydrate and adjust gear on the move. The supercapacitor system's reliability in cold temperatures and quick deployment make it a valuable asset for avalanche protection. Equipped with a 162-liter airbag and the option to charge the supercapacitors using just 2 AA batteries, the Float E2 is an indispensable and versatile tool for adventurers in the wilderness. Number 8. LT5 Trekking Poles. The LT5 Trekking Poles stand out as a remarkable tool for adventurers seeking the utmost in portability and lightweight performance. As some of the lightest 3-piece poles available, they offer hikers and trekkers unparalleled ease of transportation during their journeys into the great outdoors. Their compatibility with various shelter options, such as the 1s, 2s, and tarps, further underscores their significance, creating an unbeatable ultralight shelter set up for those who value efficiency and minimalism in their adventures. With the LT5 Trekking Poles, adventurers can confidently traverse challenging terrains while optimizing their gear for the ultimate outdoor experience. Number 9. CMC Helitack HotSeat. Action movie heroes are often seen making daring escapes by hanging onto ladders or ropes from helicopters. The HotSeat system works on a similar principle, with a focus on rescue missions. It's essential to note that a HotSeat isn't suitable for transporting individuals with severe spinal injuries. However, for victims who can be seated semi-upright, HotSeat is invaluable. It can bear a load of up to 227 kilograms, and the storage bag is spacious enough to accommodate a helmet. Number 10. Mahaton Bottle. The world's first wireless charging self-cleaning water bottle, inspired by modern architecture, keeping your water pure and odorless. We all know how important water is to our life. However, in an adventure, our drinking water is not always 100% safe. That's exactly what Mahaton Self-Cleaning Bottle is all about. A cutting-edge self-cleaning water bottle that stays sterilized and keeps the water inside as pure as it gets, at all times. Again, it can come with a wireless charging technology. So, what else are you looking for? Number 11. Fogo. Meet Fogo, the only gadget that includes GPS, Bluetooth, voice and text messaging, a USB backup battery, and a powerful LED flashlight. Have peace of mind knowing you have a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie with you wherever you go. Whether you're biking or hiking, fishing or hunting, navigating or camping, the Fogo keeps you safe and lightens your load. Number 12. 4.0 Multi-Tool Credit Card. MRF Multi-Tool. Universal 4.0 credit card has 80-plus tools on board, and it is the most functional and powerful credit card size multi-tool in the world. It has a large set of screwdrivers, wrenches, drawing tools, bottle opener and can opener, tools for builders, mechanics, and handymen. There are also unique features that MRF multi-tools have: sundial, compass for both hemispheres, distance ruler, earth parallel meter, a moon phase calendar, survival axis, and much more. This survival gear guide has introduced you to 12 essential small tools that every adventurer should consider adding to their kit. These versatile and compact items can make a world of difference in challenging outdoor situations. We hope you found this video informative and valuable for your next adventure. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment with your thoughts, share it with fellow adventurers, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides and tips. Your support keeps us motivated to continue providing you with the best content for your outdoor pursuits.